In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Valorant here on Windows 11. Before you do get in this guide, if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you currently have Valorant installed, you'll also have Riot Client, which is the launcher required to run the game. Whenever you do open that up, you usually land on the home page or the Valorant page, and if you do select your profile icon in the top right corner and go into your settings, you're going to notice that there's a bunch of different options. However, there's no option to actually uninstall Valorant. To fully uninstall Valorant, close out of the Riot client, make sure it's not running in the background, otherwise the uninstall will not work. You could do this by selecting this little arrow here, and if you see Riot client in here, and let's just pretend that NVIDIA is that, you just right click it and then select exit just like so. After it is fully closed though, go to this Windows search bar and type in add or remove programs and select it just like so. And then in this little app section, go to the search apps section and search for Valorant. Now I just uninstalled Valorant, so we're going to use Call of Duty Black Ops 3 as an example, but essentially you're going to see these three little dots next to Valorant. Go ahead and select that and then hit uninstall just like so. And it's going to launch Valorant, and from here you're going to have another uninstall button you're going to have to select to confirm it. But as soon as you go ahead and do that, Valorant will begin uninstalling from your PC here on Windows 11. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.